The Rwandan Civil War was a large-scale civil war in Rwanda fought between the Rwandan Armed Forces, representing the country's government, and the rebel Rwandan Patriotic Front from 1 October 1990 to 18 July 1994. The war arose from the long-running dispute between the Hutu and Tutsi groups within the Rwandan population. A 1959–1962 revolution had replaced a Tutsi monarchy with a Hutu-led republic, forcing more than 336,000 Tutsi to seek refuge in neighbouring countries. A group of these refugees in Uganda founded the RPF which, under the leadership of Fred Rwigyema and Paul Kagame, became a battle-ready army by the late 1980s. The war began on 1 October 1990 when the RPF invaded northeastern Rwanda, advancing 60 kilometers into the country. They suffered a major setback when Rwigyema was killed in action on the second day. The Rwandan army, assisted by troops from France, gained the upper hand and the RPF were largely defeated by the end of October. Kagame, who had been in the United States during the invasion, returned to take command. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.